It is, it's like dropping down roots. I get really low and really wide. That's the first thing, really stable. And it's hard to describe. It's such a felt experience. And the personal me, it just goes away. I just have to put it aside. So whereas I might have been in an experience of an opinion I have about something or something I like or dislike or it's some kind of personal stuff, it just has to go. It doesn't, what I think about something has to completely leave the picture. And in a way, what I feel about it has to leave the picture too, because I need to be able to hold a space for everyone else to be in their feelings. And it's a kind of coming undone experience. And Starhawk says you need a pot to boil water in. You have to have a container in which transformation can happen. So I hold that container, it's not me, it's all the spirit presences that are holding it, but I have a role in that. And I have to not feel the way I would. I'm a total crier. Right? I cry at the polling booth. Look at democracy. I'm emotional about all these things. Right? I get really tender about lots of things, but I don't cry very much when I'm working with families. I take that aside. And I have to learn how to feel, but not feel right here. So I have this sense of, you're talking about skill, I feel at the outside edge of my aura. So people feel met, and they know that I'm feeling with them. There's an empathy there, but it's out here, it's not in here. And that leaves me in here, able to be tuning into what wants to happen. Grief has an upward energy, like it bubbles up, it wells up. And if we want to push it down, that makes it go. So it's an up-down thing. And when I'm in a situation where the intensity of the emotion is so strong, I start to feel grief coming up in me. If I push it down, that occupies a lot of my bandwidth, being involved in pushing that down. And I can't be fully present because suddenly I'm clenching something down. So I just go with the energy and go up with it. And it's literally, it's a felt sensation of, oh, here it comes. Okay, I'm just going to ride this right up and out. And grief feels universalizing. It feels, when we're in it, it feels like that's all there is, all there ever has been or will be. That's all there is. And when I go up and out, I literally take my awareness up and I look at the whole room. I get this above view. And then I see, oh, there's this place of really intense grief, and there's beauty, and there's love, and there's a cat. And I just put it in context so I'm not overwhelmed by it. And it's this amazing technique. Where I just ride it up, put it in context, and then I can come back down again, and then it's not stuck in.